Let's start our debate that is about social media. Well, we are going to see whether social media is a blessing or a curse. Right, so I would like to introduce the judge of today's debate. She is Ms. Bhagya Jayavikrama, a qualified QMS lead auditor, and she works at Alfred Maritime Group as the QMS manager, and she has completed high school in Cardinia International College in Australia, and she is currently an undergraduate at NIBM Business Management degree program. And also altogether she has 4 years of experience in the maritime security industry. Right? She will be your judge, and hope you all the very best. Okay, let's start.
Opposing team switch sides just to get idea. You all opposing team and the opposing team is you. And Ashay, you are the team leader. Okay. Good morning to all of you. And as Miss Priyanthi introduced myself Bhagya Jayavikrama, and I'm here to evaluate your debate today. And I wish you both parties all the best. And let's start, Ashay.
Good morning, impartial judge, proposing team members and opposing team members. Social media is a blessing or bad influence. One question and two answers, blessing or bad influence, is also one answer to question. My idea is most correctly answer is blessing. Twitter, Facebook are good example for it. First, I like focus about what is social media. Social media is computer-made tool that allow people to create, share or exchange information, ideas and pictures, videos in virtual communities and networks. And my own idea is social media is a mirror of every nation, every culture and every religion. Next, I like to emphasize advantage of social media. Present, more people haven't time to enjoy their life, and their answer is busy, every time busy. But it's not good answer. Real stories they live with mental stress, but they have very easier way for enjoy their life. Its answer is social media. It saves your time and it kept your friendships. I think social media is like to be a paradise for short teenagers' talents. Actually, today most students doesn't try to show their talents and creative ideas. Why? Because they haven't chance for it. But I think Facebook, Twitter, and other social medias are a good option for it. People by sharing your ideas, and they act as platform for your voice. I find this in debate.org.com. This is social networking a blessing for students. 70-100% says yes, and 70-100% say yes, and 30-100% say no. If you have great ideas or want to be heard or found, social medias like Google Plus, Twitter can promote these good intentions. Through these sites you can find millions of people who share the same interest as you, and it starts making difference step by step. And next, I like to focus on relationships. My idea is today relationships are protected on social media. Why? Because today some families, father living Dubai, mother living Kuwait, and daughter living Canada, son living Australia, and finally grandmother and younger son living Sri Lanka. I believe that honorable opposite team do not have arrangement to break our points. 5 advantages of social media: worldwide connectivity, community of interest, real-time information sharing, free advertising, increased news cycle speed. Worldwide connectivity. No matter if you are searching for that former college roommate, your first grade teacher or an international friend, there is no easy or faster way to make a connection than via the social network. Though Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and MySpace are probably the most well-known social networking communities. These connections can help one with a variety of things such as finding roles and seeking a new jobs. 4100% of 2011 university graduates use social media in their job search and locating assistance, getting and giving product and service referrals, receiving support from like-minded individuals, making or receiving advice on career or personal issues. Too many businesses enter into social media because it's the done thing. They feel they should have a presence early because their competitors do. Business advantage of effective social media include it can be much cheaper than traditional advertising and promotional activities. You can deliver improved customer service and respond effectively feedback. Customers can find you through new channels and generating more leads. Increase loyalty from customer you have connected with. Today, technological education is very important for everyone and especially for teen students. I strongly say social media is a blessing for teen students. Social media changes the world every day. Today, 4,300% of the world population in 25 years old or younger. This young group is ready to change the world. Kumaratunga Munidas said, "Alut aluddan okatana jati alwanonagi." Its meaning is world is everyday change and every people use this change for their next step. Then I strongly say this change is blessing for you, me and all of us. Thank you.
Social media, good or bad. There are a lot of social media such as Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Viber, etc. Social media has a bad influence. No responsible person to upload information. Badly influence people to do foolish, silly things to become famous, promote violence, drive the society and strongly providing fake information. Make the youth inactive, inhuman, mechanical, self. Misuse of social media sometimes ruins the valuable life of youth. From social media networks, teenagers have suicide their lives because of social media networks. And we should protect our privacy. We should not break the hand out our privacy. This is your privacy and this is your privacy online. On the being social influence, the ability of connecting with online user that can share your message to a wide
Raise your voice, please.
Social media makes your family unhappy and it didn't let you study. This is the statement of Albert Einstein about technology.
Good morning, everybody. I'm now on my feet to break all the silly arguments of opposite team and give something to their thick skulls. At first, I remember saying from the Macbeth drama of Shakespeare, those were tales told by idiots, and their speech fury signifying nothing. Don't be angry, but it's the truth. They all told following the footsteps of my leader, but no one followed the leader. So let me show you how come these social media make us real human beings with entertaining, educational, and also various kinds of skills. At first, I'd like to tell social media is a blessing. And also, at the end, I'd like to say, together with all of you, social media is a blessing. That's my target. Let's begin. So, what's this social media? Social media means the media which can be used to express ideas and share them and comment. There is no responsible person of it, but we can make it responsible. I will show you how can we make it responsible. And who are the partners of social media? Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Yahoo, Google+, and also, as the opposite team say, LinkedIn. And how popular they are? You know, they are very popular. This is the chart which shows the popularity of those social media. The first place goes to Facebook, 901 million users there are, and the second place goes to Twitter, 555 million people there are, and third place actually goes to Google+, 170 million, 150 million in LinkedIn. So, and I will describe about this furthermore. Among these all social medias, Facebook is the most popular one. It has 845 million monthly active users and 100 billion connections. Then not only the amount of them, but also I want to talk about them furthermore. So just think, in this world, how many people there are? 7 billion. How many members does the Facebook have? 1 billion. So among that 1 billion people, there are lots of people. Okay, from Gunawati Akka Siripala in our village to Barack Obama to Queen Elizabeth to Narendra Modi to Bill Gates to Mukesh Ambani, they all we find in Facebook. So they are great, they are respected, they are responsible. So they have accounts there. They chat with others through it. They had photos and selfies. Barack Obama had photos and selfies. I can show you. And they exchange their private things. They trust it and they make big deals to it. So, if Queen Elizabeth trusts Facebook, if Barack Obama trusts Facebook, why can't we? They are very responsible people in the world. They make deals. They make very big deals through it, and they trust it. They think it's trustworthy. It's safe enough to do their deal. So if they think it is responsible, why can't we? Or why don't we? That's the question. And why do people use this social media? Most of them use it to communication, and the second place goes to the second amount of people use it to as a hobby. And also education and business also gets these sectors also gets good place in it. So we can with this chart also we can prove social media is a blessing. Just think, most of the people use it to education, communication, and business as a hobby. So this very lack of people use it to other things. So this is proved that our thing. And social media in business sector. In her speech, Sendhu criticized that income of Facebook. She not only questions how come the social media earn this amount of money, but also she criticized social media, and she thinks that it's the wrong thing for that. I don't know who is wrong, but the only thing I can say that she is completely wrong. With these charts, the remarkable point is proved that how social media grow your business work. And if you advertise there, millions of customers you will have. So with these facts, it's pointed out that the social media is really a good place to advertise and to grow your business sector. And in education, so we all are students. Okay, I am sitting for the O-level exam this year. Just think, in midnight while I am studying, I suddenly find a question. I want the answer, but no way to get my answer. I suddenly just think the Professor Dhammika Ganganath Disanayaka in her book, in his book, sorry, in his book, I find something, but I'm doubtful about this. So I do the best thing I can. I go to the internet and search there. Oh, but alas, I can't. There everything is in English, and I can't understand that English. So how can I solve my problem? I can go to the Facebook or Twitter or any other social media and ask from Dhammika Ganganath Disanayaka, from the professor who wrote it, about my question, and I can get the answer very easily. So it's very good advantage of social media. Then just think, I wanna blame to OIC of Kottathiniyawa. Okay. What can I do? If I go inside of the police station and blame him, I can come never. I will come never again. Okay. But with that no responsibility of the social media, I am safe. I can blame anyone as I want. Okay. We could see this situation last year in the presidential election 2015. People wanted to blame the president and the government, but they hadn't. But there were no way. So when Facebook and other websites began to reveal secret and illegal things of the government, people accepted and agreed. People trusted it. So people believed it. And so if there were no social media there will not be a person as President Maithripala Sirisena. Okay. So with that incident also we can prove the power of it. And if we talk about the communication, we are human beings. Okay. We can't live alone. We want someone to chat, to share our ideas and thoughts and feelings in our life. So in this global village, with the development of the technology, we have become isolated. The close relationships have been disappeared. So social media is very essential way to build up those broken relationships. I think teacher told me when she was in Pasdunrata College of Education, there was a wallpaper as panorama. But I think after they came from there, it was in their mind. So now it has begun as panorama readings. So again, teacher can meet her friends there. So this is the thing which should be. This is the thing which should be. And the most important argument, it improves the creativity and aesthetic values of youth. You know, change is the theme. Change is the theme. Everything should be changed. Now, this is not the era of the letters. This is not the era of the television or radio channels. This is not the era of the mobile phones, and this is not the era of the messages. This is a modern era, which is different from all those things. So, modern generation is changing. You consider as the youth of Sri Lanka is completely a herd of buffaloes, but they are not like that. Remember, it's wrong. They have very revolutionary ideas, but they have no way to express them. The only way they have to express them is Facebook or Twitter or another social media. I will show you a video clip here. Okay, this video clip, you can see this video clip in Airtel. Now today in television it is very famous. It means Sri Lanka youth. It shows us how the Sri Lanka youth, the young generation of the Sri Lanka looks at the new modern things and how their feelings and thoughts work. And the only way the teenagers have is adding their ideas to Facebook or Twitter and comment and share. You can see some examples. Okay, I got something from Facebook. Life is just like a camera. Dream is to zoom. Target is to focus. Results are to capture. Pure the negatives. If the thing doesn't work, get another shot. This is the ideas of the youth. So this is the thing should be. They have very revolutionary ideas. They have aesthetic talents, but they only want a way to express them. That way is Facebook or Twitter or another social media. So then it's not unsafe. Okay, you say that it's unsafe, no, but it's really wrong. It's not unsafe. If you are a member of social media, you can fix your privacy settings and there no one will disturb you. And with these lock balls, and if you are hacked there, you will inform that. And if you're disturbed by someone, you can report it to Facebook website. So everything is safe here. We should try to do it. And advantages and disadvantages of this. Everything has two sides. Everything in this world has two attitudes. One is good and the other one is bad. One is white and the other side is black. One is pure and the other side is polluted. Do you know, there is a saying as the swan, a very extraordinary ability. A swan has very extraordinary ability. If we give milky water to it, it can divide milk and water and choose milk. So the swan is an animal. Okay, what about us? We are the most intelligent we are the most intelligent living beings of the world. So my question is, if that swan can choose the better half of something, why can't we? Why don't we? Just remember this. If we buy a pair of slippers or shoes, before criticize about the beauty of them, we should think that after wearing the shoes, in which ways we step. It's the most important thing. Okay, I agree. There are bad qualities in Facebook or social medias. Okay, what can we do to improve that bad sector, or to prohibit the whole thing, to neglect the whole thing because of that bad sector, or to improve the good sector? That's the thing we should decide. You know, the senior journalist of ITN, Dr. Hasanta Hettiaraj says we should try to see the better half of everything, not to improve the bad side of everything. Okay, as human beings, we have something named as brain. We have something named as brain because we to choose the better half of something. So my dear friends, are you negative? Be positive and recognize its importance and improve your knowledge. Build up your connections through it and unite. It makes us, it eradicates it grows our relationships. Unite. So their theme is people first. This is Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of the Facebook. He says their theme is people first. So it is safe if you are going there and think different. Say I like it. And at the beginning I told you, I begin this debate with saying social media is a blessing. At the end, I say, together with you all, social media is a blessing. According to my point of view, to my mind, I think like I did it. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. Following the footsteps of my leader, I wish to express my ideas about our topic. Social media is a blessing for us. Social media is a collective of online communication channels dedicated to community-based input, impression, content sharing and collaboration. Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus are some examples of social media. Media is an instrument of communication like a newspaper or a radio. So that we can think social media is an instrument of communication. Why we can say social media is a blessing for us? There are many advantages in social media: worldwide connectivity, commerciality of interest, free advertising, increased news cycle speed, real-time information sharing are the advantages of social media. The social media also blessing for the business. Social media is an easy way to learn about our audience, and social media helps to target audience more effectively. One of the most important advantages of social media is certainly the speed and the efficiency, in which it allows communication between two or more people. Social media is quick and easy. We can simply log in on computer or a mobile app. Fast access to a large, diverse crowd or population. Social media is not limited due to geography. Social media is a tightly which is the great marketing business. Social media is easy and practically way to create communication. The media reach people too fast. One of the main advantages of social media is widening business contacts. We can connect with the people all across the world by the help of social media. Nearly 400 million active users in social media. Social media especially promote the humility and virtue. In the present, humility is most needed thing, but that what is people don't know. Social media helps to provide humility and virtue. You can see videos in YouTube, look after animals in social medias. It helps to provide humility and virtue. I strongly believe social media is a blessing for us.
Good morning, impartial judge board and my dear friends. So today I'm going to talk about many points of the bad influence of social media. My first point is people are posting things about themselves. I don't know why do they posting about what do they doing at that time. So it's okay about that. You that posting pictures about your field trip or your vacations or etc. We should know our limits. Okay, don't post everything in your life. Some people also see our posts and people will know more about us. So sometimes there are also stalkers who want to fulfill their bad desires. So we have to be very careful about that. Stick and stone may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. It's not true say. Words hurt or lot us. So that's why social networking is bad, not just for teenagers, almost any age. My next point is education. Educators also know that for kids and teens is social network. There are no spellings and grammar rules. So, in fact, many teachers are complaining that social networking communication with misspellings and lack of grammar are seeping through students' school writings. Last week, our proposing team member also did that. So, I think he will correct that mistake. I think you put danger to your life that your own self. Anyone can say it is nothing problem with Facebook, Gplus, LinkedIn or etc. But the problem with the people. Anyone can say that. I think that proposing team also going to say that. So my question is from our proposing team, By those people using Facebook, Twitter, G+, or any other social media to fulfill their bad desires. Why is it? So I think it is the best way to them is social media. It is very bad thing. All that bad people using social media to fulfill their bad desires, because they using it. I think Facebook, G+, is very that our team, that proposing team leader also said it is very worldwide connectivity. It is very large area, so people is very easy to fulfill their bad desires. So asking this question with that our proposing team, I'll stop from here. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. Following the footsteps of my leader, I like to express my own ideas about social media as a blessing. My subtopic is enlighten the public with social vices which mass media hides. Nowadays, utilization of social media has spread all over the world. We often say that technology has made the world even smaller. The social media became a place where we can connect with the rest of the world and get the latest news of current affairs as early as possible. It has become a place for chatting, having fun, gossiping and passing leisure. The popular social networking sites are Facebook, Twitter, Google+, YouTube, MySpace, WhatsApp, etc. We can find information about hot news in the current country. We can know information which mass media hides from us. The thing is, social media networks have good and bad. So we should take the good thing and we should throw the bad thing. Sometimes we can get quick news from social networks before mass media. Another thing is, now social media is all around us. It has come to encompass almost every aspect of our lives. And time goes on embedded in our lives. Soon we will be using sites to accompany our classes, assist in our grocery shopping, communicate with potential employers and co-workers and anything else. And more than we could ever imagine. This is why I think it is important for people not only to adopt these social media networking websites. Soon everyone will use social media for everything, and if you are not using social media sites, you will either be behind or be completely left in dust. I encourage everyone to become familiar with as many social media sites as they can before these sites become a true necessity. So I think social media networks are divine gift of God. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. Present social media is spread everywhere like a germ, and today we are going to discuss about social media and whether it is good or bad. Anyway, my view is social media has bad influence. What are the examples for social media? Google+, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram are some of them. The definition of social media is communicate with people who share your interests using a website or other service on the internet. Oxford University in London searched about social media. For that survey, they used 10 millions of people. Here is the result. 69% of people doesn't like social media, and 31% of people like social media. Why we say social media is not good? No responsible person to upload information. In social media, anybody can upload information. Therefore, we cannot trust it. Badly influence people to do foolish and silly things to become famous. Some people upload silly photos, videos. Why? To become famous. Promote violence. Drive the society astray, providing fake information. I think the best example for that is Kottagethra incident. In that, social media show 17 years old boy as a criminal, but actually he is a innocent. But social media show him as a criminal. No responsible person to upload information. There are so many false stories on social media. A lot of people tend to believe what they read on social media, and they don't even take the time to make sure that the story is legitimate. No responsible person to upload information, and therefore we cannot trust it. I think you know in Facebook, some people had insulted the president, and CID searched the people who upload it. Sometimes some people upload information for their personal advantages. Imagine somebody had created an account on the social media using your name, and somebody can hack our account. Do many things using your account. It is harm to our personal. Sometimes we can lose our friends also. We cannot trust the people who in social media. We didn't know about their real qualities. One of the main reasons why people avoid social network sites are because of they're afraid of lack of privacy. People losing its communication skills because of Facebook or such type of application. The instant communication of social networking site is very similar to that instant messaging service. Many people didn't care about the correct spellings or grammar and resort to the abbreviation and net speaking that can drive others crazy. Here are some examples for net speaking. In social media, to communicate, we use this type of word. And you tell social media's blessing because of these facts. Now I am going to break your points one by one. Enlighten the public with social vibes which mass media hides. In social media, all kind of rumors are there, but in mass media, tell us true incidents. In social media, upload news to insult a person. Sometimes mass media hides some facts because if news published, sometimes it will insult to a person and it harms to our society. Social media shows criminal as a hero. Then I break your first point. Provide opportunities for youth to shoot talent, become famous. To show our talent, we can use mass media. For example, there are Little Star, Dancing Star, some of them. If we upload any videos to social media, anybody can edit our video and upload again. If somebody edit our face or video, how can we face to the society? I broke first and second one. In general, people do not socialize. They pause to be trapped. They are doing and argue with each other about nothing. If it also seems highly addictive for some, so they spend ton of time on social media sites. People are sitting everywhere, gathered, but still into their phones or iPads. There is no real human interaction. In addition, these social media are only made to be about you and how popular you are and not caring too much about anyone else. Then, how promote humanity and virtue if people are like this? See, in these pictures, there is no real human interaction. Everyone uses phones. Sometimes they use their phones while they are eating. How we promote humanity and virtue using social media if people are like this? I brought that point also. Nowadays, people love machines as human and they use people as machines. If we are addicted to Facebook, we doesn't like to come out from our room and associate with others Actually, it alienates us and make us sick. It ruins our relationship. Too much of anything is not good. Social media always encourages us to laugh at people or get revenge of our enemy. How many young lives destroyed because of Facebook? If we promote humanity, will such thing happen? The people who addicted to Facebook doesn't value of value. They do not know the human life or value of good character. There is no question that playing games on Facebook or sharing conversation on Twitter can be a lot of fun. But they can also eat into our productivity. If you find yourself becoming hooked on this site. Nowadays, we call TV set as the idiot box. As soon we will name social media by the same name. Why do we trust social media? There are many other convenient and cheap and trustworthy media that we can use. Skype, email, Bluetooth and mobile phones. I saw a statement in internet. Facebook is like a refrigerator. There isn't anything worth in it, but we constantly go and check it. Therefore, admire us. There are few advantages and more disadvantages in social media. In this situation, how we think positively. Anyway, I said social media has bad influence.
Good morning, everybody. Social media is that the user share too much information which may pose threats to them. Even with the tight security settings, your personal information may leak on the social sites. Downloading your videos or pictures and copying your status is an easy task. Can be done within few clicks. You told Barack Obama also used social media. They are famous persons. No one want to bite them, but someone has a personal agree with someone. They use social media to break his or her whole privacy. It's very dangerous, isn't it? Then they can't face to society. Is that good than happiness? I don't think so. The team leader told social media help to protect our relationships. And you told father is in Australia, mother is in Canada, blah blah blah. If you want to protect such a relationship, why family members abroad? Give the answer for that. And also you told no one follows me. Hey, Indra, you told no one follows me. It's wrong. All follows me. Don't you see my presentation at the beginning? I told some points. All follows those points. I think you didn't pay attention to my presentation. And these are some articles. These are some articles about Facebook and the person who break her or his privacy from Facebook. Now you can understand, I think, social media disadvantages of social media. So I strongly say social media has a bad influence.
Now I am ready for answer opposing team questions. First, Ashini criticized about posting pictures to social media, and she also criticized to the language we use there. But the problem is she also chats in that language. She adds photo and selfies. If you want examples, I can give examples. She also agrees with us about growing our bonds. Just think, you give me a knife, I can do two things. I can kill you, or I can make some food and offer arms also. If I kill you, I go to the hell, and if I give arms, I go to heaven. So if I kill you, do the police arrest the knife? No, because the knife is not wrong. I am the wrong one. So if some people hack Facebook profiles, we can't blame to the Facebook. Their wrong is not the wrong of Facebook users. You say that in Sri Lanka, Facebook has become very dangerous thing. But in this world, there are more than 2,000 countries. Except Sri Lanka, no country has such kind of problems. Why? Because those people go to internet to search about new technologies, new jobs and educational things. But our buffaloes, they use it to do such kind of filthy things. I don't want tell about them because we have a Guinness record of it. Senathi told it is not responsible, but I challenge, tell me at least one responsible media. There are nothing. So before put your head into the other one's bathroom, look at your own toilets and you told about then a little star, dream star and other stars. But just think about Shihan Hiranga, he was out from Sirasa Superstar. But he added his music videos and he is now very famous. So we can't agree your arrangements. I believe social media is blessing for teens. We can't blame Facebook for youth inactive. But I blame very hardly this education system for this problem. Reading is make a fool man. Just think a newspaper have a nice article for teens, but actually teenagers doesn't read it because it can't attract teens and young students. But just think social media have a nice post, then every age group people read it. Why? Because it's attractive and it's creative more than newspaper article. Senathi told about LinkedIn. Do you know it was such kind of things like cutting your own throats yourselves. It's mean with that you broke all your arguments. LinkedIn has an age limit and also it's very responsible. So we have come here to debate, not to joke. But if you want to joke, go to a circus, don't come here. So at the end, I have to say they built very arguments and they were broken by yourselves. I am very glad about you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the both parties, and I know there are some members had to leave because they had other classes and stuff. We won't take more time to give comments to both parties. However, opposing team starting with Senuthi, the team leader, and proposing team Ashen. I'm going to give as a whole team comments first, and then I will go individually some development points for both individuals, because I am a quality auditor. That's my job, to give development to any organization or any processes. And then as individuals here, I would like to give some development comments. Okay. Proposing team and opposing team both, your points are very right. Social media is a very questioning topic when it comes to a debate, because as I think that's Induvara, right? As Induvara mentioned, it's we have to, it's like a half open door. You can say it's open, half open, or you can either say it's half closed, you know. And then as Induvara mentioned, we can say it's actually it's a good thing. Let's forget about the disadvantages of it. Let's use the good parts of it, of the social media. Or also as the other Senudis team, we can say social media takes our time and energy, and another person came and gave I think it's yourself, Senura, right? Senura, sorry, said that it's like a refrigerator. Very true. I feel about all those comments. Personally, I agree with all of those. You know why? I also go to Facebook on and every day and check. And there's nothing to be checked, to be honest. It's like a refrigerator. I don't like it, but I just keep going and checking too, personally myself. So for both parties, I'm truly agreeing with all the comments. So as a group, what I can say, the contents you brought to this debate, very excellent. And the time and energy we spent on selecting those points and pictures, presentation prepared, very well done for grade 9 students, truly, because I'm working in organization. Sometimes I have personnel applying for jobs 25 years of age, and they can't even make a presentation for themselves. So the education, social media, all this has developed you, and that's what you should take. Okay. So well done to the presentations which came to the computer. Really a good job. And also the time is spent. That's as a whole, both teams, very good comments for you all. Okay, I'll start with Ashen. Ashen, yourself, your presentation is excellent, as I mentioned. However, you need to build your confidence on eye contact. Okay, you are looking at me and the teacher. However, you forgot about your other parties at the very starting. Okay, I'm talking about your starting. And then you were giving very good statements, saying taking from Sri Lankan writer, right? That's you. So you gave a good statement to start up with, and then your voice need to be tiny bit projected. You need to start projecting your voice. Those are development comments for yourself. And then you were trying to support your topic and trying to build it up the questionnaires for the other team, which is a good point for you. Okay. And then at the end of the debate, you put the what do you call it? You put the comments back to the other team, which is also a good part as in a debate. However, your confidence, I know everybody gets nervous when you go front of a team. I understand that, but when it comes to debates, you need to know it's not a speech. That's for most of people. You know the hat, so people can take the hat, whoever it should be taking. You know that when you come to front of a class or front of a group of personnel, I understand that you are nervous. However, you have to start faking it. But as grade 9 students, very well done, as I always say. But when you are developing, before you apply to your next job, you have to start building your confidence. You can be nervous. It's the same to everybody. If the teacher, every time teacher comes to front of a class, she has to be nervous. But it's not the point. It's a matter of how you not showing it to the others. Okay. So it's a matter of naturally speaking. Especially in a topic like this, you all can naturally speak. Okay. So and from that all you can also take some development points for yourself, Ashen. One thing for especially Ashen, and there were 1 or 2 people, and also to Senudi. This is a debate, I understand, and you all are very, very closely, probably you all knows. However, in a debate or any public speaking, when you are in front of a group of people, you cannot personally criticize others. That's for all of you to learn. You must be professional with what you are saying. You can say things in a manner, not directly. For example, say, Ashay Naya, I know about you, for example, like that. It is not accepted in a debate or any group conversations, especially when you go front of a class and when you do deliver any sort of a presentation. That those things have to be stopped, okay? Because this, you have to realize, even though you all know each other, this is a professional place where you have a judge sitting evaluating yourself. So personal criticizing has to be stopped, and the content has to be professional. And if you can say anything to the other team in different ways, you can use words in a manner to tell what you want, but however you cannot directly criticize people. Okay, that's for both parties. Comments. And then I'll go with Senudi, just to say your confidence very good comparingly, and also the clarity which you brought to the presentation developed very good, and also the content you tried to put it into the both parties were very good, and good statements, good presentation. However, your projection of voice, and then you have to start speaking naturally. You should be putting your statement naturally. That has to be developed from your side as well. And your closing points are very good. You had some prepared some newspaper articles, and those are good as well. And then Ashini, she left, so I'm not gonna talk about her personally. However, she also need to develop her professionalism when she is talking. Otherwise, she was very natural speaker. She took the stage, no problem, no confident issues. However, she needs to be a little bit professional on her wordings which she is trying to put, okay, across to the others. And then there's Chavindu from this team. Very good English, Chavindu, and your content was very good, well prepared. However, you had a breaking point from Senudi, so you should have started. This is a debate, not a speech. That's what I'm trying to say. You should have first broke her point and then come to your topic. That's for you to develop, especially in a debate. And your voice is really good. You had the projection of voice. However, you kept more of a reading, little bit more preparation for yourself has to be there. You could have, because this topic is especially very easy topic, very very personalized question. You could have spoke to each other, and you could have put your message across to each other naturally than what you did. Other than your grammar, English, and the voice, all those things are very good comments. Okay. And then Ashini, I spoke. Then that's about you, Yvonne. When it comes to grammar and English, as I mentioned, it's good. Your confidence to speak, and your English, you had the confidence. However, you spend a little bit more time reading as well. Next time, develop yourself to look at others. Eye contact needs to be there, and it's a matter of you reading, but also just make sure you at least look at their forehead. You don't have to look at your look at the other person's eyes. These are little points which I do as well. You don't have to look eye to eye when you are in front of a presentation. You can just look at the forehead. However, that presents to the judge that you have the confidence to talk to your teams. Okay, that has to be developed from your side. And also, the content is good from your side as well. And Sevini, she left as well. However, her English and clarity was very good. And she was structured in her presentation. She had prepared well on her speech. Little bit spent her time reading as well. But she made some good statements as well. But she did not spend her time putting that statement clear to the opposite side. She had very good statements. However, she did not have that tiny bit of confidence to actually directly put across that statement to the other team. Okay. Otherwise, her spoken English was good, and she had a breaking point as well. If she wanted to take from Senudi, you didn't give breaking points. However, Senudi gave a breaking point, and she could have break that point to start up as well, because a debate and a presentation are two different things. You have to understand. In a presentation, you must start up with your breaking points, because the other person always give you a question. You must break that and go to your topic. Okay. That's Sevini. And then Indura. Have to say you are the best spoker in this whole team. Okay? You are very confident. You had a very good confidence and very good projection of your voice. You have to be, because you are a grade 11 student, I have to mention, you all are grade 9. However, your statements and you spoke naturally. You took the role and we all were just looking at you and what you were talking. That's others have to take as well. Because once you are front of a class or front of a team of personnel, you can be nervous. I'm pretty sure you were also nervous when he go front of the class. But he just know how to hide it. That's all others have to take from his presentation or his points. And very good findings were there. We spent a lot of time to your preparation, which is also a good point. And then you break every point of the other teams gave, okay, which is good. However, I have to say that to you also, Indura, a debate or a presentation is a professional thing. Don't take personal names and personal criticisms, but you can take their comments in a way that you can mention, okay, you can take themselves in a different manner to explain your point, okay, that's to be learned. And clarity was exceeded, excellent, because it's actually, I did not expect from a group of you guys the content he brought, which was very good. And gave proper point for the side to break, and he spent a lot of time giving lots of points which other parties could have break when they wanted to come and break the points. He had lots of positive and positive points. However, they should have been taken as your other teams breaking points. And then this is Senush. He started with breaking the point, but you spent lots of time reading. Therefore, Senush, you had very good breaking points. You start off with breaking, you had very good breaking point. Your content was excellent. However, you spent, because of due to nervous, I think, you spent lots of talking and you focused on the opposite side more likely, and you hardly looked at us. You have to realize we all in here looking at you, so your eye contact has to be developed as well. But however, the content and the preparation of points were very good, excellent. And that's Senura from your team, from opposing team. Very good English, and also you had the confidence. Second best speak, I take you. The reason is you had the confidence to come to front of the group and start talking, and you start up breaking points of the other person, and also your projection of voice is good for your age. However, keep developing it, because it's still with your voice you come up with a little bit of nervous. We can see. However, please try to avoid that when you are front of a class or front of a team. Otherwise, you have a good future to develop and continue, which is good for you. And good statements. Less reading, which is good. I don't like when people read front of a presentation or a debate especially. However, little bit more presenting should be there with your wordings. When you present, they were mentioned in a reading manner. However, you can explain a little bit, you can get your confidence just to put your statement through, because it's your statement, nobody gonna come and cross you. So you can just put your statement across to the others. And clarity, pronunciation, and spoke naturally, good for you, Senura. And especially Indura and Senura, you both please develop yourself, and I can see a very good future ahead of you two, especially because you were the best speakers, I can guarantee. And the others, you all content were excellent. I have to just summarize and say the content is very good. You have spent lots of time and you know this topic, and you all points, I don't go judging here what is social media good or bad. I'm not going to say that answer, or I'm not going to judge that. However, both points you came up with were very good. You had spent lots of time supporting your argument. However, it's a matter of presenting is, I have to say for the others, is a little concern. Okay, please minimize your reading when you are front of a team. And then your confidence, you have to avoid the nervous you have inside of your, especially in your tummy. Get yourself more confidence when you are front of a team. And then you all have to say very good English to your age, because I'm working, as Miss Priyanti mentioned, I'm working since I'm 17. I started my career while I'm doing my A-levels just to get experience in my life. However, I'm a quality manager for 4 years for the maritime security industry, and I brought up the maritime security industry training department to Sri Lanka. This was only located in UK when I joined this industry, and I have developed many personnel, school leavers, to come and work in environment, especially for foreign industry. So I have realized in this, especially down south Mathara Gold personnel, spoken English is the problem when they come to a job, okay, because they have learned, they are sometimes very good education to grade 12 students. However, spoken English and grammar is a problem when they come to that. Very lucky for you guys, you have come across that barrier. Very good English for your age, and the spoken English excellent to say, because you all only 15, 16, 17 maximum. I don't think anybody 17, you're only 16, right? So very good. You have a good future, all of you, and continuously develop. Even when you get away from your school, don't stop speaking to your friends. Take the advantages of social media to improve your English as well, because English becomes the first barrier in your career life, because you are studying to go and get a job. Nobody going to study and stay home. I understand, I assume that. So well done to both this. Okay, that's all I got to say. And because Miss Priyanti knows all of you very well, I like to actually ask Miss Priyanti to give some of the comments which I missed out maybe from my speech here. Okay, so please come.